stuff up. So we have all the gear laid out. We're gonna pack it up, get it plane ready. My duffel bag ready to go. Let's pack. Didn't forget the spork. For those of you wondering, I am packing with lighter packs so I don't forget anything. Hand sanitizer going with me on the plane. Hairbrush, toothpaste, toothbrush, chapstick also going with me on the plane. Alright, medicine, Advil, Benadryl, Imodium, extra hair ties, tweezers, lady products, Afterbite, gloves, Molson, band-aids, earplugs, extra bottle cap, sunscreen, hand warmers, repair kits. So I do want to pack up all my clothes, but I don't want to forget to leave out the clothes that I am going to wear on the plane, aka my hiking clothes. So I'm going to pull those out and then I'm going to pack the rest of them inside my clothes bag. It's a lot of work. So I have gone through, double checked my lighter packs list, made sure I have everything laying out here. Now I'm just gonna try to fit it all inside that purple duffel bag. Wish me luck. It is pretty stuffed and I still have several things to fit in here, so let's see how we can make this happen. Struggling to fit it all inside this duffel. All right, I got the clothes. I'm gonna wear those shoes on the airplane. I guess I'm bringing that with me on the airplane now, my clothes bag, because it won't fit inside here. I have my clothes I'm wearing on the airplane, and then all this is supposed to come with me as well. I was gonna stick it in this drawstring, but I don't think I'm gonna have room now since I have to bring the clothes bag. Carry-on, so basically in here I have my water filter so it doesn't freeze. I want Giardia. I have all my electronics. I have both my smart water bottles because I got the sports caps, so I didn't want to have to worry about those getting smushed or whatever. I brought my wallet in there, chapstick, hand sanitizer, and then I have a little snack for the plane. For some reason this clothes bag would not fit in here, couldn't get it to work. So I'm just going to use a personal item and carry-on in my bag.